Emakhosini, nyanbingelela nina enilapha emakhaya, nyanbingelela all you valuable viewers of Kemi TV, as we've dubbed you Kemites, you ancient souls that are reconnecting to your roots, reconnecting to universal spirituality and African spirituality. Those of you who are no longer living a mundane life, but understand that life transcends the physical. I am your prophet and your teacher, Shamun, as the name was given to me by the highest universal power. Nitinyas Toba Pamgweni, welcoming you to another episode on this channel. Guys, before we go too far, we've got a new product range now. I'll be dropping a video. These products, we have redeveloped our product range, adding more products to the old products, but these products are more potent. These products are more powerful. From imithi eyokuthi reignite that beautiful spark between you and your mate, ukuthi nithandane futhi nifunane, ukuthi mawubona umfazi wakhe ekhishini noma azimele nje agqoka amapijama nefuthi bahaza umgxumele njengexoxo. Yes, we have products that are powerful. We have lucky potions esiwakhandile amafutha ekuphoqe ukuthi ngiwalande kude. Benganyamalalanga malutho, benganyamalalanga nje for no reason, cha. Bengihambile ngiyolanda amandla, bengihambile ngiyokhanda izinto, ngiyofuna izinto ukuthi ngisize nina, because this is what I live for, ukuthi ngivule impilo zenu ukuthi nibe nenqubekelo phambili. So go into Akana Temple. In the description, you will see the website link there. In the channel description at the top, you will see the link as well. Click in, go to the product section in the different subsections and look at the new products. If you are Tanda, uze kimi uthi mkhulu ngidinga le, mkhulu ngidinga ibhengele lokugembula ukuthi ngifike ngiguluze ngigqekeze lapha eGold Reef ngithole ngibuye nemali. Emakhosini ngiyasithoba phambi kwenu. Guys, we're gonna have a new service that we're gonna be offering specifically to inyanga. Upcoming inyanga, hayi inyanga esidumile. Inyanga esidumile angeke futhi zingisize ngalutho. Cha, to you upcoming inyanga that are lost, that nivule isigodlo kodwa kuthulile, nobody knows you, you don't have the social media personality or the pizzazz or riz for you to be in front of a camera like this. I am inviting you guys to Kemi TV. Contact me so that you can advertise your services, so that we can put you out there. Ukuthi kwaziwe these new young nyagas, as well as inyanga nabaprofeti nezangoma that not only are young but are older. I invite you guys to Kemi TV as your fellow sibling. As your fellow sibling, ukuthi seek interview la, sikhlalise so that Crusader can also get a different view. This channel is not about me only dictating. This channel is about me as well, introducing you now to ezinye inyanga, to abanye abaprofeti, to abanye abantu abalaphayo, to abafundisi abathandazi abagcotshwe umoya owokwelapha. I ask you, please reach out to us to be on here and to shoot with us. It is 500 for us to give you the reach and to connect you. But the reason it's so low, guys, the reason it's so low, because I know other channels charge for 10,000, other channels charge 8,000. The reason it's so low is ngoba angisebenzi imali. Kodwa because I use my equipment, because I'm gonna be editing, because I'm gonna be uploading, because I'm gonna be promoting the episode. That's why kunenkambiso ye 500. Wena nje into yakho ukuthi ufike la, ufika sihlale soyi-2, ufike with an outline you want me to follow, so I don't ask you imibuzo ongafuni ukuthi ngibuze yona. Wena utshela abantu ukuthi ubani uphuma kuphi, because not everybody can reach umkhulu Seda, not everybody can reach umkhulu Duncan, not everybody can reach ugogo Maweni. Cha, sometimes they'll just need you, izandla zakho. So do not doubt your services, put them out there, because if you are truly a shaman and a healer, unabantu that have been designated to you ukuthi ubasize throughout your lifetime. Hence why you got your gift. Speaking of gifts, Kosiam, today what are we looking at in Crusader? Today asikhulumi ngezangoma, today asikhulumi ngenyanga, asikhulumi ngamagedla. We are not talking about juju man. Namhlanje we're talking about, we specifically may be pointing this towards you indigo children and you star seeds. If you don't know what that is, please go into my content section, into my videos, and watch the video on star seeds, indigo children, and wanderers. Generally, people like that come here on earth to assist with raising the vibration and consciousness of the earth, and assisting in the transition into the next vibration, into the next frequency, into the next dimension, from 3D to 4D/5D. That's why that's why we took this mission and we came from different realms, all of us, to come here and do this job for humanity, because humanity is the Garden of Eden in terms of DNA from all over the realms, all over the universe. We are talking to you guys who have universal gifts, not self-initiates. To you guys that have been gifted with specific gifts that are gonna assist you in raising the vibration of the earth. And hence the title is Are You Born with a Hidden Spiritual Gift? And I am gonna assist you in connecting and unlocking it on this episode. Guys, did you know Gucci, there's people that are born with unique gifts? Abantu abangeke bathwasiswe yidlozi, cha. Umuntu at one given point izobe siqubuke into yakhe isebenze. Hence why you have miraculous healers everywhere. Even in America, you have mediums. They didn't get trained for this. They didn't go to school for it. One day it just connected. Baqala manje babhula abantu, whether through tarots or whatever. That is the type of gift that I'm talking about here. It lays hidden, it lays dormant, waiting for it to just be awakened. It is codes in the DNA that are available but haven't been triggered or activated as yet. And today I'm going to guide you on how to recognize if you are one of these people, if you are a star seed, how to activate your gift and how to use it. So, how would a spiritual gift reveal itself to you? How would you know Uguti, you have a gift, you have a power that's been given to you at universal level for a purpose which you must serve? Number one, gifts can show as heightened intuition. Suddenly, your intuition is high. Uthi mawuzwe ngathi ayi lana ithi ngangeni, ithi ngagibeli kule taxi namhlanje. Ithi ngimi ungene kule landelayo. Ithi le taxi le mase nindlula on the highway, how man sekune traffic mandlula le taxi shayisi. A naturally operating gift. Healing abilities. Umama bekagula, ubaba bekagula, your friend was sick, and something just told you to babeki isandla, and you said, let me pray with you, bro. I'm gonna pray for you tonight. Uthi mawukhuleka lo muntu afike kuwe kusasa athi, hey ndoda, sengcono. You know, since you said you're gonna pray for me, miraculously I became okay. When I obviously will brush it aside, but you will not see Uguti. You are a special person. Not special as in you're more special than other people or more important. You have been sent on a specific purpose and a mission. La emhlabeni. You just didn't come just ukutube la emhlabeni. Basically, often your dreams will show up from childhood. From usasemncane uzowazi ukuthi yazi bengihlezi ngiphupha traveling through portals, bengihlezi ngiphupha in space, bengihlezi ngiphupha sitting with these beings, but I couldn't, they were not humans, but when they would speak I would understand them. They wouldn't speak with their mouths, they would telepathically communicate with me. And somehow I remember I've been going through this, and I would tell people, and people would think you're crazy. Yes, you'd be often misunderstood and ignored as a child because you were just that strange child. That would be one of the signs as Bonisayo Uguti. You have a spiritual gift and it's trying to reveal itself to you from childhood. Uguti Bonisa Uguti Lalela Ndota. Separate yourself. You are not part of the flock. You have been sent on a mission which you must complete. So your dreams, synchronicities, emotional responses are all clues. Nizinto that you can use. You know what? Something is different about me. Not wrong with me. Different about me. You might feel different, out of place, deeply connected to the spiritual world or the unseen world. Where Nanje Ogwako Oguti, you must remake that connection and awaken your gift. So why do gifts stay dormant? If why at the age of 18 why at the age of 21 the universe just doesn't awaken it ingibonise ukuthi isebenza kanjani? Don't blame the ancestors, don't blame the universe. At times it's our fear due to, here in Africa, the Witch Suppression Act, but globally, Witchcraft Suppression Act, but globally Gifted people, they suffer being ostracized. They suffer being looked at as strange, because often in this world, when you don't follow the flock, when you are not part of the flock, when you are not moving with a certain community and you're moving alone, you are viewed as a weirdo and somebody who's just strange, and you get ostracized. It's fear of societal rejection, and that can suppress those emotions of trying to be normal, of trying to fit in, can suppress that gift. They can keep it dormant for a very long time. Kodwa when it's ready to work, uma isifuna ukuvula, izovuleka, isebenze. Lack of guidance or negative programming from family, lack of support from your family. As a kid, you always used to point, hey, mama, nangu ugogo kukuthi ugogo ushonile. Hayi wena, ugogo umbona kuphi? Instead of the parent being keenly interested in that and seeing, no man, there's something different about this child. Let me start documenting. You parents as well, you're to blame for this. Families as well are to blame for this, because that seed is being born through your lineage for a certain purpose. So when that specific person is put through things that negatively program their mindset against anything outside of secular religion, lokho kungadala a certain fear within that specific child, which suppresses their gift, which is meant to be assisting in a greater and more powerful universal process. Hayi thina siyenza izinto zamadlozi, hayi wena thina sihambe isonto, da. But the child is telling you, umfundisi njengoba ame lapha epulpit khona into etetile kuye. Hayi wena hlonipha umfundisi, kanti umfundisi vele uthwele ngodiko oluhle kodwa sikho lapho. Now, if you can view things like that, you will be more in touch with your inner voice, because you have now disassociated from the victim mentality, and you are now connected to a much higher thinking. You're no longer thinking from the reptilian brain, but you are functioning from the neocortex. And so you must learn to connect with your inner voice so that it can help guiding you in awakening this gift, so that you can begin your earthly mission. So Mkulu, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? I feel like I'm a starseed. I feel like I've got a gift in mediumship. I'm a psychic. I'm a hydromancer. I'm a gyromancer. I'm a pyromancer. I've got some sort of power. Ngiyivuse kanjani Mkulu? How do you awaken your inner power? Basic practices. Izinto ey'ncane ezithathwa kancane, yazi abantu sebagijimile bayenza izinto ey'julile ezabaxaka. Wasixhaphaza wena, usifaka ugibe kungamelanga ukuthi uthwale. Very simple things, guys, can assist you with aligning and can assist you in walking in your path and in your purpose. Daily meditation and prayer. Either combining it with your ancestors or with your angels. Daily meditation and prayer for guidance. Remember, your ancestors and your angels know you intricately as well as you know yourself, if not better. Keeping a spiritual journal to track your signs and track your dreams, so that you can make a connection with you. When I did this the other day, this happened. Oh, this is how my ability works. This is how my power works, so that you can make a connection. Keep a journal, keep a spiritual journal. Spending time in nature, grounding, and opening your senses. Sometimes uyeke ukuzidistracta ngokuhamba ama-restaurant, going on dates, going on girls' night out, boys' night out. Go into nature, go hiking. Mawufika entabeni ukhumule icathulo and ground and connect and try to sense the energy of the earth flowing from your feet into your chakriatic system through your crown chakra. Connect with the earth through grounding practices like walking barefoot in nature. Now, as well, you can use uphahla as well. Look, uphahla is not just restricted to if you have an African indigenous spiritual gift. Uphahla is asking your ancestors for guidance, and if part of your ancestors are of a star race, then nokuphahla ubabize usho ukuthi you guides of mine from different dimensions and realms, ngicela ukuthi ningikhanyisele. How do I proceed forward with this gift? Using chants, and if that seems like it's too much for you, then just do what everybody does. Seek a mentor, a spiritual teacher to guide you and help you, because he's been through the journey as well. specifically a mentor who is a starseed or who is an indigo child or even a wanderer, to guide you and to help you in terms of your universal spiritual journey and your universal spiritual gift. Guys, parents, bengiye ngisho lento kodwa ithi ngiyisho. Bakwethu parents, please pay attention to signs of a child who has a gift. Because if it's not worked on, ayikho into ezolunga empilweni yabo, because whatever they do must be aligned with that purpose, because that gift was given to them with their purpose. Stop oppressing and stop repressing their expression spiritually. Allow them to do the things they are intuitively guided and dream-wise guided. What you can do for your child, should you suspect ukuthi they are a starseed, should you suspect ukuthi they are an indigo child, pay attention to their symbolic dreams. Magavuke ekuseni, if they told you, I dreamt of a group of doves come and land on this house, write it down. No. I've had children la endumbeni bafike and ngitshela umama wakhe ukuthi uphuphe into enje mkhulu, is he okay? And then I conversed with that 5-year-old, a 3-year-old, ngithi, what did you dream, what did you see? And then makakhuluma ngiyabona ukuthi, oh, this is a star seed, this is a very old soul in this body. And that's ngimtshela ukuthi, please pay attention to this child's dreams. They are symbolic messages. The child as well might have early experiences of clairvoyance or knowing things before they happen. Ningakazwa nina ukuthi ugogo sekashonile, sekayakhomba athi nangu ugogo emnyama. They are clairvoyant. For those of you that don't know what clairvoyant is, please go on Google, guys, and type in what clairvoyance is. But it is a property or an ability that somebody receives when they have psychic powers. So you might experience clairvoyant experiences when it comes to this child. Note them down. Don't repress them. Don't think they're crazy. Don't be freaked out. You need to assist. That's why this child has been assigned to you, because you are the guardian who's supposed to watch over the star seed until it grows and it is ready to go out and carry out its mission. A child who's drawn to strange things, they're drawn to looking at the stars, they're drawn to ritual tools, they're drawn to crystals. This child is just strange. Yena kaphuma kuya ney'ntethe namapaniki, afuna iy'moto zamawaya cha. This kid keeps coming back with rocks and keeps saying that this rock gives him protection. This kid comes back with flowers and stuff. Isn't ezinjalo, just strange behavior, and as if the child is drawn to spiritual objects or spiritual practices. Pay attention to that as a parent. And as well, most star seeds and indigo children are very empathetic. So uyashesha ukuzwela. Now, if they are sensitive to energy and other people's emotions from a very young age, that might be a telltale sign that this child is a starseed who possesses a dormant, hidden spiritual gift. So these are the signs that his soul is telling you to pay attention. Lomtana is not normal. So your spiritual gift, you must remember, is a treasure that can transform your life and the life of those around you. Ungayizibi mkhulu. Follow your gift. Begin today by honoring these small steps that I've given you. Refer to my other videos with practices that can help you ground and align. And remember, dream work, guys. Dream work yakho. Go into the comment section. Tell me if you suspect that you're spiritually gifted. If you're at liberty and you are comfortable, let me know what gift you suspect you might have. Clairsentience, clairvoyance, kulama psychic, whatever. Go into the comment section. Let's teach each other. Let's help each other. Let's create a community. Let's get into a dialogue. Igedla lamashishkile lumprofetu ushamun ngithi ngithanda ngothando kaMvelingane. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, guys. Ngiyaziyehlisa phambi kwenu ngithi may you have a brilliant week ahead, and uMvelingane akhanyise zonke indlela zenu. Emakhosini.